There's the babies. There's Slash. Got the little black and white face. And his eyes is open. Oh, Mommy covered him up. And there's little Weasley. He's always looking for milk. And there's Smokey. I think Smokey's trying to make an escape. There you go. There's the babies. Smokey and Weasley getting milk. And Slash is still looking through the plastic, trying to figure out if he can get out or not. He's going to be playful. Yeah. That's my good girl. That's my good girl. I love my little bit. And good night, Weasley. Good night, Smokey. Good night, Slash. Say good night. Say good night, little bit. Say good night. Say good night, Mommy. Say good night, Mommy. Good night.